Flow Pro. This thing is legit. So I CrossFit a lot, do a lot of gymnastics, and I used to do Krav Maga, and as a result of my training over the years, my shoulders are pretty locked up, so particularly in my infraspinatus and teres minor, and my hips are locked up from a torn meniscus. So quads and hips are pretty locked up. How about you, Emily?
So it's fairly similar areas, but for completely different reasons. So firstly, I'm a breastfeeding mom, so you know that position always, holding the baby, as well as working at a desk. So I do have tight shoulders, and I do have also tight hips, tight hamstrings, tight calves. This is because I'm a runner, so I run on a daily basis.
The Flow Pro is a percussive massager that looks somewhat like a power drill. If you have tight muscles, placing the gun on the affected area will help relieve tension, break up scar tissue, and remove waste and toxins while facilitating blood flow. I love using it on my rotator cuff and also my hip. I've also found a way to rig this to get hard to reach spots on my back. But sometimes I just get Emily to be my therapist, which is pretty nice. Mobility exercises coupled with my Flow Pro has helped unlock my joints and allow me to move freely. Thanks Amara Asia and Flow Pro